Hello guys, today I will show you how to make $10 daily with doing tasks, simple tasks for huge number of Rubel coin, and you can withdraw to any wallet that you want. Like you see, this is the homepage of the site. The link will be in description, also in the first comment of the video. Watch carefully. There is two ways. There is to complete tasks and there is to create tasks. Don't forget to always translate the page in English or your language preferred. Like you see, I already have an account in this site. You register with your email and password. I will come in now. Like you see, we just complete this small captcha. It's very simple. Now we are in the site, like you see. If you click here in the menu, you will see your details. I have in my balance 1 ruble 72. There is you can top up your balance to create tasks in the website. Also there is withdraw payment history. There is search for task. There is my work. When you work in the site, you will find your works in my work. Also you can create task here, and there is here profile, and in profile here you can add your details. This is the first step. Here there is the catalog. You can add any tasks here. Example, if you want an V2 or a V2 review, you buy for 100 ruble, and you put your always translate page. You put the task name, the link of your V2 review, and here you put your exercise, and here in the report you put what the executor must do. Here you put your price here, like you see. Minimum is for 100 ruble. It's simple, but we use mining. Here we go to search task, high paying site. Like you see, this is for 8 ruble. Here for 0504 ruble, 08 ruble, 04 ruble, for 4 ruble, 2 ruble, 4 ruble. Like you see, huge number of tasks with a huge number of prices. Like I told you, you can make $10 daily. Also there is another site. The link also will be in the description. The same action in this site. You work like this site, it will pay you well with a huge number of tasks. It's also the same work like this site. Like you see here, there is a review for AV2. Price is 36 rib. Avito is a Russian site. You can use any SMS receiver to make an account in Avito and make tasks, these simple tasks. You will get paid well. This is tasks. Let's go to my work. Like you see, I already accepted for 18 work. I do it. There is some work rejected, some work accepted. Like you see. Let's go to my payment history. This is my payment history, proof of payment of the site. There is here for you 12 rib, 7 rib. Like you see, this is my payment history. You can easily make $10 in a day with this site. Also, you can work with the other site. There is two sites, the same work. You can work with these two sites, complete just a task, installing application, review, make searches. It's very simple. let's see this one. Always translate this page. Like you see what's it's about. You follow, it asks you to follow this link, create account and write a message, and make you follow this link description, click in the link, create an account and write a message. I will make a deposit. You write this message in the link that you click. We enter to the site. It's simple, it's executed like that. You must like you see, this is the site. You make an account here. When you click in execute, you make a screenshot of your inscription in the site. The report, you send your username or your email. You write, I do the task. My username or my email is example@email.com, like that in the report. And in selection filing, you click select file and select screenshots. You make one or two. Sometimes it asks you for one screenshots, and you click in send report. That's all, and you wait until it's verified. Like you see, this is the site. Also, you can create site. You can advertise in this site for your application or your site or anything that you want. For you complete this instruction. It's very simple. Like I told you, you can make $10 daily with this site and other site. Let's go to other site. This is the other site. It's the same. You register. After registration, if you click here, like you see, for tasks, we have 3,000 tasks. The number is huge. Like you see, this is for 10 ruble, this is for 0.25 ruble, this is for 3 ruble. This installation, the application, this install of application. Like you see, you install the application and get 22 ruble. Category installation repeats every 40 minutes. You will have to complete these tasks. This for installation application. Here test internet for 5 ruble. For test this one for 55 rib, for 47 rib, for 7 rib, for 15 rib, for 7.5 rib. Like you see, this is a huge number of tasks with huge number of earning. Like I told you, you can make more than $10 in a day if you work in these two sites. Simple, you execute tasks one by one, and you get paid to your payeer wallet. Like you see, this is the real work in the internet. You will get paid well. This is two sides of this day. The link will be in description, also in the first comment of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.